Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating this look using gel polish and neon pigments. This nail art is so easy, anyone can do it, so let's get started. This is the first time I've had a full set in a long time, so you definitely want to make sure you're doing the proper nail prep. I've already done my nail prep and going in with that dehydrator. I'm using a base coat to put on my nails today. So first you're going to apply the base coat on all of your nails. You're going to want to clean up all around the cuticle area and around the sides of your fingers because it does tend to burn if you have any on your skin before curing. These are the nails that we're using today. These are enailcouture's 123 Go nails in stiletto. After applying the base coat, you're going to cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. Now when you're using gel tips, you do want to rough up the inside of the full cover tips, or you can use a dehydrator. That's what I used. Now I'm using that base coat and just applying it on the very bottom of the nail, applying it to my fingernail and curing it for about 15 or 30 seconds just so it stays in place. You want to make sure that you do this as careful as possible. You want to make sure that you don't have any air bubbles because that can cause lifting. And you do want to do a full cure at the end, a total of 60 seconds, just to make sure everything is on properly. What I mean by applying these on as careful as possible is one slight move and you're curing them on crooked. It's so easy to do. I've done it so many times. Most of the times I use a peel off base coat, so I just pop it off and start over. But if you're not using a peel off base coat and you did your proper nail prep and everything, then it is a lot harder to take off. Now I'm just going in and using my e-file to clean up any of that base coat that may have come off the sides. And I did cut these down, the long stiletto nails, as much as I would love to wear them out and about. I just can't do everyday things with them on, especially with my two young girls. So maybe one day. But props to anybody out there that can wear super long nails and do everyday stuff. I'm super jelly. After you file your nails, you're going to want to take a buffing block and really buff up the surface of the nails really good. And then take a lint-free wipe with some alcohol and clean it up really good also. Get underneath the nails on top just so there's no dust. I found this on Amazon and I just had to show you guys. It's so freaking cute and it's my new dampen dish. For polish, today I'm using the Makartt Femi Beauty Nude collection that was in her collab with Makartt. And this is the color Sugar, and then I'm using Perfect White from Madame Glam. These pigments I got from the Attitude shop. I've been dying to use, and now I'm finally going to be able to use them. I've been watching a lot of Not Polished Tao. I'm so sorry if I say that wrong, but she is amazing, and she's been really inspiring me to use some pigments. So she makes such beautiful sets, so I just had to try them out. I really liked this color Nude polish for this set. It's very thick and really you only need one coat, but I did two just to be safe. Apply that to all of the nails, cure in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then we're going to go in with the white polish. Going in with Madame Glam's Velvet Top Coat, I'm going to apply that to all of the nails and then cure for 60 seconds. Actually, this is what they look like before curing. I really could have just left them like this. I thought they were so pretty, but I had to use my pigments. So going in with the white now. I'm using my little nail polish plate here, putting the white down, taking an art brush and dipping that in there, getting it really nice and full of the white, taking it onto my nail and trying to be as careful as possible. But from what I've learned so far, you want to do one single stroke. You don't want to lift it. And I found that to be the best way to do it, so you could get the straightest lines as you could. If you do make any mistakes though, it's not like it's permanent. You can always just wipe it off and start over. Using the nail polish brush, I'm just going to fill in the rest of that space, and then I'm going to cure in the lamp for 30 seconds.
I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. You call my bluff, I won't pick up, I let it ring. Record your voice so I can listen back again. I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you fall again, now that you know that. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good.
I was surprised with how easy this was to actually do. I don't really know why, but after I put the white on and I cured in the lamp for 30 seconds, I don't wipe it off or anything. That's what you need the pigment to stick to. Then you take a brush and you just dust off any of the excess pigment. Then you can go in with a little bit of alcohol and clean up anything that may have spilled underneath the nail or around your finger. And yeah, that's really it. Super, super easy, and it looks so good. If you're enjoying this video, if you could hit the like button and comment down below, tell me what your favorite kind of nail art is. Do you prefer easy stuff? Do you like to do harder, more intricate stuff? Let me know your thoughts. I'm using Madam Glam's No Wipe Top Coat, cleaning up the sides and curing that in the lamp for a total 60 seconds. This is my brush that I was using to dust off my nails, and now it's super rainbow-like. You're going in with Young Nails Rose Cuticle Oil, applying that to all of my nails. It smells really nice. This is the finished look. I really loved how these turned out. I was just crazy over these colors. I thought they would just look so beautiful. Plus, there's nothing like having a full set of nails and just feeling complete, you know what I mean? Thank you guys so much for joining and watching today's video. I truly appreciate you. Please like and comment down below. Let me know what you guys think of this set, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!